Okay, so our template that we have spun up into a virtual machine has now completed, and we can see that here, SRV01. So before we power the machine up, remember that we just need to take it off the templates network. It's okay, obviously, if you're not using sysprep to do that, but to get it to communicate on your internal VLAN, you will need to just change its network connection to your relevant port group, and you can hit connect at power on. Yeah, we're all set to go here, and we can power the device up once it's finished configuring. We'll power it up, and I'll also open up a console, and I also want to demonstrate the sysprep process. There is a slight pause once the machine comes up, and it's a Windows thing to sysprep actually kicking in. So there's the machine starting up. You may be tempted, if you have used sysprep, you may be tempted to log in at this stage. It's at this stage you need to pause. Sysprep will actually be working in the background, and the machine will be going into a reboot automatically just now. Again, this is a nature of Microsoft Windows operating systems and not anything to do with the infrastructure at all. There we go. You can see it took just probably just short of a minute there for that to happen. And this machine will now come back, and you'll see it'll be customizing the settings. Again, this is nothing to do with the VPDC environment. It's purely a Windows thing, and all you're doing, you're using the VPDC wizards just to inject the answer files into the operating system. And as we can see there, that's the machine just rebooting now. Okay, there we are, and obviously you just click the window, Control Alt Insert, or if you wish, you can use the VM menu up here, and you go into Guest and use Send Control Alt Delete. So we can log into this machine and configure its networking, and that'll be used good to go. Okay, we'll move on to the next video, so that will be the end of this session on how to create a VM from a template.